In this video we are going to look at how to calculate relative atomic mass. For relative atomic mass we can use either the abbreviation RAM or the symbol AR. The equation to calculate relative atomic mass is RAM equals total mass of the atoms divided by the number of atoms. We are going to look at an example now. The abundance of the two isotopes of chlorine are 75% of chlorine 35 and 25% of chlorine 37. Calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine. To do the calculation, we have to assume a certain number of atoms, and the easiest is to assume that we have 100 atoms, so we assume that we have 100 chlorine atoms here. If we have 100 chlorine atoms, 75 atoms are chlorine 35 and 25 atoms are chlorine 37. Now we're going to use those numbers to plug them into our equation. So RAM equals, we have 75 atoms of chlorine 35, so we have to plug those in for our mass, so we get 75 times 35. And then we also have 25 atoms that are chlorine 37, so we have to add those to the mass too, so we get plus in brackets 25 times 37. Now we still have to put in the number of atoms, and we assume that we have 100 chlorine atoms, so we just divide this by 100. Now we can start calculating. So we get, if we times together the numbers in the brackets, 2625 plus 925 divided by 100. This is 3550 divided by 100, and this gives us a relative atomic mass for chlorine of 35.5.